Boy, what a sight to see going down the road. Doesn't look so bad from that side. But this side is sticking over a wee bit of a lot. Let's see, there's the fender. So these tines are good, oh, I don't know, 18 inches out from the fender. It's okay, I didn't have to go too far, only 75 miles down major interstates. But I'm sure, you know, this thing, it's not going anywhere. It was strapped down pretty well. It's some heavy equipment. But we got ourselves a hay rake and a tedder. So, I mean, now we can go fling some hay around. Uh-oh. It's pretty cool. Now I gotta figure out how to get this stuff off of here. I bet you that's gonna be tricky because this is not light. It's definitely gonna be a challenge. Ooh. Telescopic leg. I mean, look at this. The whole wheel and everything was off this thing. But we got it. Unreal. So it's a New Holland 258. Really, really great rake. And yeah, okay, it's been sitting outside, needs a little work, but I mean, a rake is a rake, whether it has nice paint or crappy paint, as long as it does the trick, and everything on here turns and moves fine. It's just, you know, been around a while. And even the tedder, we got a heck of a deal with this stuff, which is awesome because, you know, we're just trying to wing this and we don't know what we're doing. So we don't want to put too much money into it, but, you know, you're not going to make any money if you don't put any into it. Been dragging a chain for a while. I wonder how many miles we drug this chain for. Oops. Cool. Well, let me try to figure out how to get this off. I should film that because it's probably going to be a disaster. But, yeah, I mean, we had the tongue wedged here, and that's there, and the front part here, I mean, it just caught this to be able to mount it there. I mean, like I said, the wheel's off on that side, and it's not really on much on this side. But we got it, so that's all that matters. Okay, what we're looking at here is a New Holland 258 hay rake. Just picked this sucker up, haven't used it yet, and everything seems to move pretty good for being all, you know, rusted and weathered. But let's give this thing a little try, see how it works. I'm curious. So I do know that we have to flip this to put it in drive, I'm assuming. And that'll kick that maybe? I don't know, let's find out. Okay, well, we just finished up with our 258 hay rake. Worked awesome, put perfect windrows, and now we're ready to go do some baling. So we have our hay liner, 273 New Holland, old baler from the 70s, awesome baler, perfect for what we do. We don't have a whole lot of acreage, and this will run a lot of acreage, but we don't need to. So we can run older equipment, and it's perfect. Same with this old tractor. So, are you gonna fire this thing up? Yeah, well, if you want, yeah, fine. Turn the key and fire it up here.
Hold on.
Hold on, hold on. Look at that. Oh, it's a lot. All right. Let me go do this thing. All right, well, here's one of our windrows we managed to put together from our chunky hay. And we're about ready to fire this thing up. I gotta drop, hold on. Gotta lower this here. Take this out. Perfect. Now it's down. Yeah, this grass snapping, bone dry. Ready to go. So, without further ado, hopefully you can see that in the sun. Let's bale. Hey, this one came out nice though. This we didn't expect to come out good. This is the old hay. Throw that out. Ooh, that's soaking wet down below. That's nasty stuff. Yeah, we tried earlier, but the hay wasn't ready. Thud. Never good when your hay goes good thud. Yeah, this stuff is garbage. Make sure we don't pick that up. But otherwise, I think we have a decent bale. Well, let's check this out. Phew, man, if you ask me, that is a perfect size little hay bale right there. Nice and light, easy to pick up. Oh, that is so cool. It's working. Looks like we made 4 bales already. Just that one little rundown. Oh, that's so awesome. I'm so excited about this working. Plan is coming together. Cool. Now I gotta find power steering fluid. Now it's working pretty well. We just popped out 3 of them really quick right there. Good grass right here. We didn't tie these last 2 hay bales.
This is incredible.
We got to redo these couple. Cool, isn't it? Just popping them right now. So this bale we have to open up and spread. No, I don't. I have to cut this. So this one, it worked until here, and then it didn't. The cutter didn't get it. But it was popping them right out, babe. Look at them. They're all over the place.
Oh, honey.
Don't get tangled up in that string too much. But now this whole bale can get opened up and spread out a little bit, and I'll cut it. I'll go over it all again. smell this?
It's incredible.
Well, there's a stick in it. That doesn't help. We're like debris in the baler. All right, debris. So like I said, that one can get spread out and go this way with them. So I can hit them up over here. This thing just eats them. It's awesome. Shit! Caught the GoPro.
Okay, and just spread it over here.
Well, a little. You don't have to spread it much. The baler will grab it all. It's just it messed up these couple bales. But see, they're sliding right out now. I couldn't even pull them out before. So I have 4 more bales I got to redo because the string didn't catch.
Yeah.
But whatever. It takes seconds when they're all just spread out right.
Yeah, I looked over and I saw the long string. I'm like, wait.
Something's wrong.
Yeah.
Isn't it cool though?
It doesn't smell like grass.
No, it smells. Because it's hay.
So just kind of like this?
Something like that. I mean, yeah, in like a long windrow of some of sorts. And I'll grab it again. No big deal. It's working pretty darn well, babe. So I put power steering fluid in it. I could steer it. Thank God I know how to run this.
Yeah.
See, that was the other day coming up here and dicking with it, even though it didn't work. It was a lesson. Right now, I already know how to tie the knot, or I already know what I got to do to restring it. It's not an oh shit, what do we do situation, because guess what? We're ready to go again right now.
Yeah.
I'm already fixed. Cool, right?
Super cool. It's a shame it gets caught up and you have to redo it.
Well, again, babe, it didn't work at all last time I was here.
Oh my God, I'm not complaining.
So I got one bale and it still sucked because it was so tight it was cutting the cords,
yeah.
pinching them. The fact that this is working, just don't go to this side at all. Go only that way with it.
Okay, yeah.
Cool. Oh, well, don't worry about it. I'll just run it over a few times. It'll suck it right back up. It'll be ching, 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 ching. It'll pop 4 bales out right in front of their house. Don't get prickered. How's the kid? Is he sleeping?
Yeah. I have him like propped up with pillows.
You should probably go back and get him now. But look, there's, how many are we counting here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then we just ripped up 4 of them.
Do you have any down there?
Yeah, there's a bunch down there.
Okay, so if we sold those, how much did we just make?
I mean, upwards of $10 a bale, but I would sell them, you know, $6.
Yeah.
But it's a start. And this field sucks, babe. Every single row should have this much grass, not just one row.
Yeah.
And as we build it up and reseed it and make it better, it's only gonna get better.
Really neat.
And so far, this has been neat. Like the fun, easy part, the baling. I think it's been recording that whole time. Yep, 6 minutes, I think, to restring it and fix it.
Okay.
Got the hang of it. Let's try it again.
You're so cute.
Here, I'm gonna give you, I don't know, this we should save, because this one's a whole string that we can use for something. The other one can get thrown out.
Okay.
But keep this one,
Okay.
because I'm sure there's something dumb we have to tie up.
Yeah.
Like my wife. Oh, I said that on film?
I was gonna say that too.
Ah, see, that's why you're my wife.
I know.
I know. Let's see if this works. Gotta say, I think we figured it out. It's working pretty darn well. It seems to be tied twice for some reason. Oh, this one didn't take right. Okay, well that's an accident. A single line on it? Oh, a double-sized bale?
Yeah, right here, and then look at the size of that one.
Huh. Interesting. All of a sudden this one's long like it's too big.
And then
that one's too small.
Too small, yeah.
Well, you know, it's
Perfectly wrapped.
hey, you know, well this one missed this but tied the other one twice. Like it missed this knot, but it has the string on it, and then here's the other end of it tied up there. So we'll pull this one out. But that's like a beautiful little bale. Otherwise, that's perfect. It's kind of disappointing.
Aw, bummer.
No, it's not a bummer. It's working. We got that many done.
Okay,
And this is a good bale right here. Look at that. Ta-da!
Oh, it's great. It's great, honey.
One perfect hay bale. Seriously. For a couple idiots that don't know what they're doing, that'll work. It's the start of it, babe. It's the start of it. All right, it's a little maybe loose. I think what we do is tighten these down, I think. And what that does is it adds pressure here to the bale.
Yeah,
and it makes it a little
loose. Yeah.
And make it a little tighter. Apparently we're baling sticks over by those trees. Well, we need firewood anyway. All right, it's hot. I'm going in the stream. And is this good or is that? Maybe once it pops out of there, it cinches it out. Pretty cool. It's working though. We're making hay, hon. What do you think, little dude? Is that cool?
Say yay, we're making hay?
Yay, we're making hay. I'm going swimming. You going in? No way, it's cold. Well, I'm going in. Well, we had a good little run here. We ended up making 75 hay bales. So pretty cool for our first attempt at baling hay. Now we have to do something with them. So check this out.